In this video we will start with a homogeneous differential equation. First of all, we'll learn what do we mean by a homogeneous function. So we are doing here homogeneous differential equations. This is the thing we are going to do. We are going to learn homogeneous differential equation. For that we need to know what is a homogeneous function. What is a homogeneous function? Suppose we have a function fxy. We call this function is a homogeneous function, is a homogeneous function if it satisfies following property. What is that property? That property is if I replace this x with lambda x and this y with lambda y in the function, I should get lambda raised to power n, that function again. Then I say that this function fxy is a homogeneous function of degree n. Then this is a homogeneous function of degree n. This small n. This n is same as this n. I will give you an example. For example, see this function f of xy is equal to x square minus y square plus 3xy. Here I replace x with lambda x, y with lambda y. I will get lambda x square minus lambda y square plus 3 lambda x lambda y. What is this? This is equal to lambda square x square minus y square plus 3xy, that is equal to lambda square f of x y. So this is a function which is a homogeneous function and is of degree 2, because here we are getting 2. So this example is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Just a minute. Okay. Next thing, we learned that right now we learned what is a homogeneous function. Now we'll see what is a homogeneous differential equation. Differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to phi xy upon some function psi xy. These two are functions. Both of these are homogeneous functions of same degree. Right? If I have this differential equation, if the differential equation is of this form, this is called a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Right? Now we'll learn how to solve a homogeneous differential equation. There is a technique. I'll write down the algorithm to solve homogeneous differential equations. How to solve homogeneous differential equations. algorithm. I want all of you to write it down. Algorithm to solve homogeneous differential equations. First step is put your differential equation in this form. If it is not in this form, put the differential equation in the form dy by dx is equal to phi xy upon psi xy. Right? This is the first step you have to do. Second step is make this substitution. Make the substitution y is equal to vx. Now your v is new dependent variable instead of y. Then your dy by dx is equal to v, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, plus x, differentiation of v with respect to x is dv by dx. Right? Put this value of dy by dx in the equation, in this equation. Put this value of dy by dx in equation 1 and cancel out x from right hand side. If you will put this value of dy by dx in this expression and put y is equal to vx, you will learn that x is cancelled, in the numerator and denominator. So finally you will have something like this. I'll show you. On the right hand side you will have a function of v only. So this is a variable separable equation. I can write it like this: x dv by dx is equal to fv minus v. Right? So I can write dv upon fv minus v is equal to dx upon x. Now I can integrate this equation, right? Integrate it. The final step is put the value of v back. Right? Let us solve one or two examples to have more clarity about homogeneous differential equations. This is the problem: x square dy plus y into x plus y dx is equal to 0. The first step is, first of all, I must know, is it a homogeneous differential equation? This is dy by dx is equal to minus y x plus y upon x square. So is it a homogeneous differential equation? The function in numerator is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Yes. Function in denominator is also a homogeneous function of degree 2. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. What I will do is, I will put y is equal to vx. So I have dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So I have v plus x dv by dx is equal to, on right hand side I can write it like this: y upon x. I can divide numerator and denominator by x square. 1 plus y upon x upon 1. Right? So basically from here I have y upon x is equal to v. So right hand side is minus v 1 plus v simply upon 1. Actually what you can do is just replace your y with v and x with 1. If your equation is homogeneous, the basic thing is that you have to do like this, but it is same as doing replace your y with v and x with 1, right? So what I got is x dv by dx is equal to, this is minus v square minus 2v minus v square, right? So I have dv upon 2v plus v square is equal to dx upon x. Now I am sure that you can integrate this thing. How to integrate this thing? Let's do it here. You have this thing, dv upon 2v plus v square is equal to minus dx upon x, right? So this is dv upon v plus 1 square minus 1 is equal to minus dx upon x. Here you can apply the formula of x square minus a square, that is log of x minus a upon x plus a is equal to minus log of x plus some constant, right? So this is log of y upon x, 1 cancels, y upon x plus 2 plus log of x is equal to a, right? So this is your log of, I can write x cancels, y upon y plus 2x, right, into x, this x is equal to log of a. So I can write it like yx upon y plus 2x is equal to a. It implies yx is equal to a y plus 2x. This is the required solution of this homogeneous equation. Let us try one more question. See this problem. See this problem. X cos of y upon x y dx plus x dy is equal to y sin of y upon x x dy minus y dx, right? What is this problem? This is x cos of y upon x y plus x dy by dx. I want to write it in the form dy by dx is equal to something, is equal to y sin of y upon x x dy by dx minus y. I think this step is clear to everybody. What is this? Now I'll collect these terms, coefficient of dy by dx on one side, right? So what I will get is x square, okay, this is xy cos of y upon x, the first term, and the first term from here, minus xy minus the second term from this thing, plus y square sin of y upon x is equal to, on right hand side I'll collect the terms which contains dy by dx. So I have xy sin y upon x, this term, minus x square, this term, x square cos of y upon x dy by dx. So finally I got this thing, dy by dx is equal to xy cos of y upon x plus y square sin of y upon x upon xy sin of y upon x minus x square cos of y upon x. Right? So I can write this thing as, I can divide numerator and denominator by x square and I can get y upon x cos of y upon x plus y upon x square sin of y upon x divided by y upon x sin of y upon x minus cos of y upon x. Right? Now see right hand side, is it a homogeneous thing? Yeah, if I replace x by lambda x and y by lambda y, what I will get? Y upon x here, 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 because lambda lambda will cancel. So numerator is a homogeneous function of degree 0 and denominator is also a homogeneous function of degree. You can remember this thing, whenever something is of this form, f of y upon x, that is in whole the function only this term y upon x is appearing, then that is definitely a homogeneous function of degree 0. This is a homogeneous function of degree 0, right? Because if in this function I will replace my x with lambda x and y with lambda I, right, I will get lambda will get cancelled and I will get this thing as a function of homogeneous function of degree 0. Right? Now I can make that substitution, make the substitution, put y is equal to vx. So you will get v plus x dv by dx. On right hand side replace your y upon x with v, that is v cos v. I can take v common from the numerator, plus v sin v upon v sin v minus cos v. Okay. So this is, now I will take v on right hand side. You have x dv by dx is equal to v cos v plus v square sin v upon v sin v minus cos v minus v. What is this? This is v cos v plus v square sin v minus v square sin v plus v cos v upon, I have taken the LCM, v sin v minus cos v. This term and this term cancels, so this is equal to 2v cos v upon v sin v minus cos v. So I get this thing, v sin v minus cos v upon v cos v dv. This is variable separable equation, and basically this x dv by dx. This equation is variable separable and I am separating the variables. Dx upon x. What is this? This is cos b upon sin b upon cos b minus 1 by v dv is equal to dx upon x. Now I can integrate this thing. I can integrate both sides of the equation. I will get integration sin v upon cos v dv minus integration 1 upon v dv is equal to integration dx upon x plus a constant of integration. What is this? This is log of secant x. You know all that this is log of secant x. How? This is cos b, sorry, not x, v. This is cos b and derivative is minus sin v. So I will multiply and multiply by minus 1 outside and inside. Now this is log of cos b, because of negative sign, that is log of 1 upon cos v, that is log of secant v, minus log of v, this is minus log of x, is equal to say a. So this is log of secant v upon x is equal to a. This implies secant v is y upon x upon, this is y upon x into x, that is y, is equal to some constant, that is e raised to power a. Again we can call that a constant b. So my final answer is, just a minute, did I made some mistake? There was a 2 here, there was a 2 here, this 2 I missed it out. There is a 2 here, there is a 2 here, there is a 2 here, so this is 2, so that will be x square. So this is not only x, this is x square, so I'll get xy. One x will cancel out, I'll get xy. So final answer is secant y upon x is equal to some constant times xy. This is the solution to the homogeneous differential equation. Right, we'll do one more problem. See this, the solution of the differential equation. Question is, the solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y upon x, satisfying the condition y of 1 is equal to 1 is, A option is y is equal to log x plus x, B option is y is equal to x log x plus x square, and C answer is y is equal to x e raised to power x minus 1, and D answer is, D option is y is equal to x log x plus x, right? So this is a EEE 2008 question. It's very simple, just you have to solve this differential equation. You can see that this is a differential equation. As right hand side we have homogeneous function in numerator and denominator. Sorry, this is x plus y. X plus 1 is not a homogeneous function. Did I write 1? No. Now I will make the substitution y is equal to vx. So this is v plus x dv by dx on left hand side is equal to 1 plus v upon 1. So it implies x dv by dx is equal to 1. Right? So what is this? This is variable separable. I can separate the variables. So I get dv is equal to dx upon x. Integrate, you will get v is equal to log of x plus some constant a. So this is y upon x is equal to log of x plus some constant a, right? So I get this thing, y is equal to x log of x plus ax. Now I am given that y of 1 is equal to 1. This initial condition, this is given so that you can find a particular member. This is a family of curves which is satisfying that given differential equation. Now I want a particular member which is satisfying this condition. So I'll put y equal to 1 is y of 1 is equal to 1. That is 1 is equal to 1. Log 1 is 0. A into 1. It implies that a is 1. So the equation, the final answer is y is equal to x log x plus x. Which option? This is D option. X log x plus x. So you can see this is this option. So this is the correct one. So you can see that how easy questions you'll get. Okay. Next time we'll do equations which are not homogeneous as such, but they are reducible to homogeneous equation. Thank you.